Hi, my name is Travis Lenz, and I'm an applications engineer at Skyworks. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the SI83XX SPI motherboard. To follow this video, you'll need a laptop or PC running Windows 10 and an SI83XX SPI motherboard kit, which you can find on our motherboard portfolio page online. Your kit will come in a box like this and should contain the following contents. We've got a USB-A to micro USB cable, a 24-volt wall wart power supply, the SPI motherboard, and a daughter card which will contain the part number you selected for your kit. So to assemble the boards, start by removing them from their ESD bags. And then we'll mount the daughter card on top of the motherboard using the through-hole connectors on the underside. Next, we're going to move the jumpers on J17 and J20 to be in line with the row marked USB. Next, we're going to plug in our USB cable to our computer or laptop and plug in the other side to the J5 micro USB port on the motherboard. Then you'll take your wall wart power supply, connect that to your AC mains, and plug in the DC barrel jack to J14. Now that our hardware is set up, let's download and install the GUI. To install the GUI, we're going to go to the SI83XX SPI motherboard portfolio page, and then scroll down to the bottom and download the setup.zip file. So go ahead and save that, and then navigate to your downloads folder and extract that zip file into a new folder. Go ahead and open that folder and double click on the executable to load the install wizard. Go ahead and click yes, and then you'll be prompted to click next a couple times and agree to the license agreement, and then go ahead and let it install. Once it's done installing, it's going to prompt you to install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable libraries. You may already have those installed. If you do, you can just click close and press yes to cancel, and then you'll be prompted to type yes into your command prompt and hit enter. Go ahead and click finish, and then we'll want to set the program to run as an administrator by default. So go ahead and navigate to the installation directory. By default, that should be on your C drive in Program Files x86 under Skyworks in the Skyworks Industrial I/O Control Panel folder. Right-click on the executable and click Properties, and then move over to the Compatibility tab and make sure that Run this program as an administrator is checked. Then you'll go ahead and click OK. Double-click on the executable, and you should see the GUI load. From here, you can navigate to the drop-down menu underneath Virtual COM Port Devices and find our microcontroller, which is the Silicon Labs CP210X. Once you click on it, you should see your devices populate, and we are ready to begin evaluation. Now that our EVB is set up and connected to the GUI, we're ready to begin evaluation. Check out the next video to learn more about how to use the GUI to control the EVB and interface with the daughter cards. Thanks for tuning in.